Good afternoon to all of you. In this particular presentation, I am going to release the option strategy for TCS. So why we are going to form a option strategy for TCS, that also I will explain. What is the groundwork needed to form this particular option strategy also I will discuss in this presentation. Just you need to view this presentation till the end so that you can understand the entire strategy formation techniques. So before I go to the strategy, I have a small announcement to make. If you are associated with Smart Finance or if you have getting the information from any websites. So our website, once you are visiting smartfinancing.com, under the download link, we have just released a free app, learning app. So wherein we have given various video courses to learn. So on futures and options, on intraday technique, on stock selections, on WT GAN concept, we have given plenty of video literatures wherein you can learn these methods and you can just take one Excel sheet or a pen and paper. Little bit of practice, little bit of understanding those concepts will make you a very good trader. So here you can, this is a free app, you can download and start learning. You can share with your friends if you like this app. So this is a small announcement, and do visit the download link, download this particular app in your mobile and start learning. So coming to the strategy of TCS, if I just introspect the past 3 months data of TCS, I am finding that it is 3200. It has touched in the month of February. In the future segment, this is for the future April I have taken. So 3200 level it has gone in the month of February, and it is exactly post its result. So you can say January towards the end they have published the result. Result was good, so it has moved in that particular range. And it has, before that also it has gone little more, 3250, though it was not ready. January post result itself, it has moved to a great level. And in during this fall, when the market has fallen in the month of March, that time also it has made a low, you can say 2802. So if I just look into the high, it has made 3250 plus and 2800 plus. 2800 level is the low and currently at 2950. So I can say that this stock almost corrected for 10 to 15%. Thereafter it has moved up and it is currently at 2950. So this is saying that we are just post a correction. There is a small value addition has happened, and post result there was no disappointing result last time, so it has also a good result it has. So this view says that this stock has corrected 10 to 15%, much lesser as compared to its peer stocks during the corrective phase. Now it is in the recovery mode. So now coming to, these are very feeble decisions, so we cannot able to make the trade decision based on these values. We have to go for some concrete analysis. So why we are going to form a strategy? Because 19th of April they are going to release the result. So 19th of April the result is being released. So today is 9th. So 10 more days we have. So post result we are expecting some amount of move, and its financial has given a, you can say, good growth, and this time also we may expect some good growth, but we cannot say that what will be the outcome of this thing. So we have to be neutral and we have to same time take some applicable risk, and we should be in a position to make good profit if the result is good and we are moving in a good direction. And if the result is bad, that time also we must be prepared for accepting a small amount of losses. So I am just going to analyze the trend for the TCS for the coming 10 days using our one standard deviation software. This says TCS is having a good resistance at 3000 level. Once it crosses, then you have 3100 or 3160 level in the second cycle. It can make till 3230 also. And if it fall 2900 level, there is a good support. So in the first cycle, And if it fall below, it can go till 2822 or 2760 in the second cycle, even 2700 in the third cycle. So this is what my one standard deviation analysis for TCS is giving for the coming 10 days period. So based on this view, I am just going to form an option strategy using our option strategy software. So this particular software costs you 10,040 rupees, including the taxes. So 8,500 plus tax, so 10,040 rupees it costs, including the taxes. And this one standard deviation software costs you 5,900. So this is per annum. So using this particular software, I am just demonstrating this. So I have just formed a covered put strategy in the TCS by selling the future one lot and selling a put option of 2,900 one lot. So by this process, I have received some premium by sale process, and there is some premium between this put option and the future, some 56 points. So 56 plus 42. So I have just pocketed 98 point of 98 point of the time value in this. So I am just buying call option of 3,000 two lots near to 50. So I am just spending 100 rupees for that. So for time value, my investment is almost 2 rupees. Only 2 rupees I have invested in the time value. Because 2,900 out of money, it has 42 rupees time value. From 2,900 to 2,956, there is a 56 point of value. So add together 98 points. So, and here if I am just considering 50, so 100 points I am giving, 98 point I am receiving. So my exposure in the time value is only 2 rupees. So this strategy, whenever I am forming, my objective is to make the net delta near to zero. So net delta of this particular strategy is almost 0.02%. So by this process, I am going to hold this strategy for coming 10 days. And what will be the profit and loss for the coming 10 days? If it consolidate between 2,916 to 3,000, this is the range currently 2,956. If it consolidate in this zone, my losses will be 6,000 to 5,500. This consolidation will two times it will, the time value will decay here, one time value decay I can get it. So balance whatever I have to lose. However, if this uptrend breakout gives and move beyond 3070, I will be start making profit, and as per my second cycle termination point, I will be at a 20,000 profit, and if it goes to third cycle termination point, I will be at a great profit. And if it fails and post result it works adversely and come down to say 2,700 level, I will be having a very small amount, which 1,000 rupees I can just come out. Or if it is coming down vigorously, then also my liability is capped. Liability is going to be maximum 6,000 and it is reducing once it is falling down. So here, because this 2,900 put option will become deep in the money, it will lose the time value, and this 3,000 will become worthless, it will automatically lose the value. So I will be start making that differential losses. So this, for the coming 10 days period, this is the analysis is being given. This is the view for which we have taken this strategy. Post result, maybe we have to hold it for 2 or 3 more days to know what is the reaction of the result on the counter. So fund is required. So you are buying 2 lots and selling 1 lot. So by this process, you require some 12 to 14,000 rupees of fund. You require for this entire strategy to initiate 1,16,000 rupees margin. And if you want to hold it till the final target 3166, so for your profit point till that point you require near to 55,000 of M2M. So total you can just add it. So near to 1,91,000 fund is required, and if this strategy gives you success, you can earn some 10% return on your employed capital, that is 1,91,000. If it comes to 316566 range, and if it fails and goes down, then your liability is very much visible here, maximum 6,000. So based on this particular risk reward, it looks promising to initiate this strategy. Initiate it, share this strategy with your friends, and if you can, in case any doubt, you can send us on the email so that we can cross verify it. We have various courses, paid courses. The free course app, what you have seen, that has limited courses have been given there. If you want to learn in depth, we have various courses. You can buy any of these courses. Each course is having 2000 rupees. So this is not a big money you should invest for your education also. Being a trader, you must think that yes, I must learn some of the unique principles, some of the good principles. If you wish to possess all our softwares, option strategy software, trend analysis software, gain angle and volatility software, if you want to possess all these softwares along with the courses, we give you a good discount. You get it at 17,500 plus 660 as GST. So any query related to the courses, you can call here, or directly you can visit here and you can purchase all these courses online using your credit card, debit card or net banking. If you are following this video on the YouTube, one small contribution also you can give it to the traders community and towards our effort to educate the traders. Our effort to educate the traders and towards the trader community, you can give a good contribution just by subscribing to this channel. So by this process you are connected with us. Whenever any video is being uploaded, you will be informed. And once you are viewing this video and you got on good information, try to share with your friends so that they should also know some of the valid techniques of the why this strategy is formed, what is the basis of this strategy. All things you can share with your friends. It is just a click of mouse, you can share with your friends. If you like, give a like. If you dislike, also give a dislike for these videos. However, it is very, very important that whenever good information comes to your eyes, you must share with your friends. By this process, you protect them from unauthorized call vendors, you protect them from unintelligent way of trading, you protect them from many ways. So keep sharing, keep following this strategy. I'll give the performance of this strategy in some future time.